Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can share your Wi-Fi easily at the Samsung Galaxy M32. So that means that you don't have to go to the Wi-Fi box and check these codes there and so on. It works also with another way. So just scroll down here. So and then you will have here the Wi-Fi symbol, as you know. So if you tap the Wi-Fi symbol and hold your finger on it, you are here at the Wi-Fi settings. So and now we have here also next to our Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi where we are logged in, the symbol for the settings. So tap it, and now we need to go here on the QR code. So now it's shown a QR code for others, and everyone who wants to have access now to the same Wi-Fi just need a QR code scanner. They go on scan, tap here, and now the Wi-Fi is connecting with your friend. So he has the same Wi-Fi as you, and you don't have to give always your code and so on. It just works easily with the QR code. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.